I am Dr. Abhishek Kumar Mishra. I am senior consultant in orthopedic surgery, mostly doing joint replacement in spine. When Dr. Anup Raj introduced this patient to me, I was expectant that this lady would be able to walk nicely. Looking at her X-ray, when I saw the X-rays, I found that the hips were grossly damaged. And though the spine and knee was also affected, I thought it was primarily the hip which was responsible for her relatively immobile status. Planned for bilateral hip replacement in one sitting. In one sitting because the patient had to travel back to her country and a prolonged stay was difficult for her. Both the hip replacement, and it has approximately been a week since the surgery, and the patient is walking relatively comfortably with the walker, and the day is not far away when she would be able to walk without any kind of support.
I am Dr. Anup Raj, Medical Director, Holy Angel Hospital, New Delhi. Today I am going to talk about one of my patients who has come from CIS country. This lady is about 60-year-old lady, and she has a problem of a hip joint. Both the hips are grossly damaged. That is only because of osteoarthritis. She is not a diabetic, she is not hypertensive. She has some cardiac problems. This patient was not able to walk at all. And when she had consulted their own physicians there, and the physician was not very sure that this case can be operated because of the heart problem, cardiac problem. So then they called us up, they sent their detailed reports to our hospital. I discussed this case with my senior consultant, Dr. Abhishek Mishra, and he is supposed to be a specialist in hip joint replacement. And this case finally we decided to take because we have got a long experience of doing such cases in our hospital. And that is the reason then we called her up and said, okay, she can come here. We'll once again examine her and then decide whether we can take up the case or not. So she came down, we saw the patient, and the patient was referred to our senior consultant, Dr. Abhishek Mishra. After looking into the X-rays and all, Dr. Abhishek Mishra decided that we should go in for the operative procedure. Finally, we got a clearance from our anesthetic department. Dr. Datta was our senior anesthetist, and we decided to operate. And further discussion for the further treatment and the detail about the operative procedure, I would like to introduce our senior consultant, Dr. Abhishek Mishra, who specializes in particular area. I would like to introduce one of our patients who had come from CIS country, and she is Mrs. Luba, and she had a problem in her hip joint. I would like to ask her a few questions. Что у вас было тогда перед?
До операции меня беспокоила полностью обездвиженность суставов тазобедренных. Колени еще нормально работали, а тазобедренные вообще не двигались.
Вы могли ходить или вообще не могли ходить?
Я очень мало ходила практически, в основном лежала.
Most of the time she used to lie down, and very on and off she used to just stand from the bed and go to the toilet in the house itself. That's all. Вы раньше там своих врачей показали об этом?
Да, я показывала врачам, но сказали, что практически ничего сделать невозможно.
In fact, she has shown to one of her specialists there in her country, and the doctor advised that nothing much can be done now. So she had lost all the hope. So that's what she is saying. Почему вы решили приехать сюда, в Индию?
Ну, первоначально мне оказывали помощь, когда болели колени. Но так как эффекта не было, я по слуху мне сказали, что здесь есть очень хорошие врачи, которые могут просто поставить на ноги. Поэтому я приехала сюда.
According to her, that she heard that from her friends that there are good doctors in Delhi, and they can at least make her stand on her feet. At least some help can be given to her. That's why she decided to come to India. Как вам нравится наша здесь, когда вы приехали сюда, наша больница, сервис, операция, как прошло? Коротко скажите мне, как у вас?
Ну, во-первых, хочу отметить, что я с детства мечтала попасть в Индию. Для меня это страна-сказка. Я когда сюда попала, я была так рада, вот я даже от радости плачу. Когда меня привезли сюда в больницу, Я просто не ожидала такого добродушия. Каждый, даже санитар, бежит помочь, старается. За мной очень обходились, и просто вот рядом был сын, я даже не чувствовала, что я не дома. Я как будто была дома. Около меня окружили большой заботой, вниманием. Каждую мелочь выполняли, делали все, что вот даже я не мечтала. Я очень вам благодарна.
According to her, like when she came here, so much of importance was given, so much of attention was given, which was, she could not have expected more than this. And she was so happy here to stay here. She felt like she is in her own place, in her own country. She felt really home. So that's what she's so happy, and she thanks everybody, all who have helped her to recover. Сейчас вы уже все прошло, операция прошло, а сейчас уже вы начали чуть-чуть ходить. Как вы думаете, как у вас нормально сейчас прошло? Да.
Я считаю, что просто очень хорошо прошло. Операцию, конечно, я не помню, но я благодарна докторам, которые приняли в этом участие. Но когда я стала на ноги, я просто вот не поверила, что я могу еще ходить. После такой сложной, очень сложной операции я могу сама передвигаться своими ногами, чуть-чуть опираясь вот на какую-то помощь. Это просто чудо.
According to her, she couldn't believe that she has started walking now. She is very thankful to Dr. Abhishek Mishra, who is the chief consultant orthopedic surgeon, who made her walk. She could not believe that she can be able to walk before the operation. But now, after the operation, after the recovery, she has started walking, and of course not fully, but she started moving. In time to come, according to the consultant, she will walk more.
Mrs. Lubai is in right now. I think many more patients are going to be benefited by her experience over here in India and at this hospital with Dr. Govind Anupraj. Though the incidence of osteoarthritis of hip in India is less as compared to Western countries, in India osteoarthritis or degeneration of the hip or wear and tear of the hip is less as compared to those of knee cases. But still our expertise and skill in operating hip is at par with those surgeons in Western countries. You can look at the result of this patient and judge for yourself. Just a few days of surgery, she is able to walk normally. She has gotten pain-free to a great extent, and she is such happy with the result that she is planning to come back for her right knee surgery in a very short time.